Good morning, I'm your host, and welcome back to the channel where we break down the biggest AI and tech stories happening right now. Today we're diving into some fascinating developments that could change how we work, what we carry in our pockets, and how our computers think. Let's jump right in. First up, artificial intelligence just got smarter. Anthropic has released Claude Opus 4.8, and after hours of testing, the improvements are genuinely impressive. The previous version, Opus 4.7, was already a powerhouse, but this new model is turning heads in some pretty meaningful ways. So what's actually different? Well, the team at Android Authority put it through its paces and identified 5 major upgrades that matter for everyday users. The AI is now faster at processing complex tasks, which means less waiting around for responses. It's handling nuance better too, understanding context and subtlety in ways that feel more human-like. The coding capabilities have also jumped significantly, so if you're a developer, this is worth your attention. Perhaps most importantly, the model is more reliable when it comes to following specific instructions. That might sound small, but in the real world, when you need an AI to do exactly what you ask without getting creative or making assumptions, that reliability is everything. Anthropic is positioning this as a solid step forward, and the early feedback suggests they're right. Now, let's talk about something that's been rumored for years but might finally be happening. Apple's foldable iPhone has been the subject of speculation and wishful thinking since foldable phones became a real technology. But today we have some concrete evidence that it's actually coming. Hidden code discovered in the first iOS 27 beta contains Apple's strongest software hint yet that a foldable iPhone is genuinely in development and getting closer to reality. What makes this different from previous rumors is that this isn't speculation or leaked photos. This is actual code built into Apple's operating system. Apple doesn't typically hide features for the fun of it. When you find this kind of evidence in beta software, it means the company is preparing its system to support new hardware. The code references display optimization features that are specifically designed for foldable screens. This suggests Apple isn't just thinking about the idea anymore. They're actively building the software infrastructure to make it work. The real question now isn't whether it's coming, but when. Industry watchers are speculating we could see an announcement as early as next year, though Apple's timeline has always been difficult to pin down. Our third story takes us into something that might feel a bit dystopian, but it's actually a clever solution to a real problem. A company called Instawork has developed a wearable camera rig called Instacore, and its job is fascinating. The device turns human workers into data collectors for robot training. Here's the concept: robots need massive amounts of real-world data to learn how to do jobs effectively. Those robots need to see how humans actually perform tasks in messy, complicated, real environments. So Instacore equips human workers with a wearable camera system that captures their movements, their decisions, and their problem-solving from a first-person perspective. That data then gets fed into machine learning systems to train robots to do similar work. It's a bit like having humans be the teachers for the next generation of robots. Companies in logistics, warehousing, and manufacturing are already experimenting with this approach. The benefit is obvious for business owners. They get robots that are trained on real human expertise rather than just programmed movements. For workers, it's a bit more complicated. Some see it as job displacement, while others view it as creating new opportunities in training and supervising these systems. Either way, this is a window into how AI development is becoming increasingly hands-on, with human expertise being literally captured and translated into machine learning models. So there you have it. Artificial intelligence is getting smarter and faster with Claude's latest release. Apple's foldable iPhone is moving from rumor to reality in iOS code. And we're seeing new ways that human workers and robots are beginning to collaborate in preparing for an increasingly automated future. These 3 stories really paint a picture of where technology is heading. Like and subscribe for daily AI updates.